So in this video, we are going to see what are comments and how we can use them in a C programming language. So here we have our previous exercise where we printed alpha text to the screen. Let's say that it's the same as the program where we printed the full name, the first name and the last name. Let's say that it's pretty much the same. Alpha tech is the first name and the last name. Now we can simply add a comment that specifies in just one sentence what this program does. For example, adding a comment like this program prints out our first and last name. And if we would try to run this code, then we can see that it won't work. We'll just get some errors. And the reason for that is very simple. We didn't specify that this particular line, where we say that this program prints out first name and last name, that this line is a comment. We didn't specify that. If we'll leave it this way, then our computer will think of this line as some sort of command we're expecting it to execute. And that's not what we want. All we want is to specify that this particular line is just a comment, just some sort of a note for us, and not a strict command to the computer. So how can we do it? If we would like to comment a single line in C programming language, then we will just use a / comment prefix. Alright, something like that. This will indicate that this given line is not a command, but rather just a comment for us as the developers. And guys, please note that this comments section, this comments thing, is basically used in all of the programming languages. That's just sort of a concept for developing. You may also use that in other programming languages that you may encounter in your future, such as Python, C++, Java, and any other programming language. The only difference will be just in the way you specify the comment for each language. So for example, here we use the / prefix to specify the comment in C language, and in other languages you may use / while in Python you may use hash character and so on. Alright, so we've seen how comments are used to comment out just single lines. But if our comment happens to be more than just one line, which is definitely something that can happen, then we would like to use something else, right? And in such a case, we would like to use a * to start a comment block, which may consist of more than just one line of comments, and end this comment block by using an associated * that will indicate that this is it for our comment block. So as you can see here, you may insert a lot of comment lines as part of that comment block, for example specifying some status or whatsoever. In this example we specify what the program does, that it prints the full name and calculates some average grade of a student, and then we also print that the functionality is done and maybe some status about the date and some other information about what should be done in the future and so on. So basically everything that may be necessary for us or for other developer that will see our code in the future. So anything that was written after the / and before the * should be considered as a comment. So think about what you want to specify in your comments during different parts of your program, and make sure you use comments wisely because they may save a lot of time and a lot of effort for you in the future. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.